Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep on iPhone step by step. I'm using a PC to demonstrate the steps, but the features are almost the same on the iPhone app, so you can easily follow this tutorial even if you're using an iPhone. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Keep Google Com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. This is the Google Keep interface. To create a new note, click Take a Note. Enter a title and type your note. When you click outside the note, it will be saved automatically. To edit a note, click on it, make your changes, and click outside the note again. To change the note color, click the palette icon and choose any color you like. To pin a note, click the pin icon so the note stays at the top of your notes list. To add a reminder, click the Remind Me icon and select a date and time. To organize your notes, click the More menu and choose Add Label. Labels help you organize your notes into categories. You can also create checklists, add images, and archive notes using the icons available on each note. To find a note quickly, use the search bar at the top and type a keyword. To archive a note, click the Archive icon. You can access archived notes from the Archive section in the left menu. Google Keep automatically syncs your notes across iPhone, Android, and desktop, so your notes stay updated on all your devices. That's how to use Google Keep on iPhone in 2026. Even though I used a PC for this demonstration, the same features are available in the iPhone app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Google Keep tutorials. See you in the next video.